Hey guys, and how's it going? I'm doing an oil change on this Meec Tools air compressor, and I thought I'd bring you along. So, to replace the oil, we need to remove this cap. And we want to take a plier and we want to loosen this. And you want to have a catch pan ready. Let it do its thing. And when it drip drops like this, that's about all you're gonna get. So we want to take a rag and we want to replace this. And tighten it. Like so. So you want to take a funnel and you want to fill the oil so that the level is right at the center of this red ring. So here we go. We might wanna use a light a little bit more. We are pretty close. Okay guys, you probably cannot see that well, but the level is right in the center. So when you're happy, just remove the funnel and replace this cap and wipe it all clean. So now you know, guys, how to change the oil in your Meec Tools air compressor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.